Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with Vichel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back, and this is another tutorial where we'll be making an origami lantern. It's kind of a DIY craft, paper craft series, and in this we'll be making a different kind of a lantern which is called as a spiral lantern, and check it out. Let's get started. So guys, for this lantern we need few materials. One of them is the plastic glass. We need 2 such plastic glasses. Next we need multiple white strips. These are nothing but a sheet of paper, a general sheet of paper, and I have this strips cut from an A3 sheet of paper, and the width of this each strip is 2.5 centimeters. So we need multiple of these to decorate or to give a appropriate structure to our lantern. And definitely we need a bulb. This is a setup which I have. It's a socket and a bulb setup, and I'm using this yellow color bulb for my lantern. So let's keep this aside now. These are the primary ingredients which we'll need for this lantern. Definitely we need glue, and definitely we need scissors and cutters if whenever required. So first we need to cut a circle in one of the glass so that we can insert the bulb. This bulb directly won't go, so let me just remove this, and we need to keep it like this, and then you can insert the bulb. Let's do one thing. Let's do it this way. You can lock the bulb like this, and you can put your light like this onto one of the glass. So you can apply the glue over here so that it remains intact and doesn't come off. And we need to stick another glass like this, covering this bulb in between the glasses. So the final setup should look something like this. So guys, meanwhile the cups and the bulb are glued together, we can start doing some other stuff which we need for the lantern. So we have this strip, and we just cut this strip by folding it into half, and this is the length which we get, something like this, which I already have, approximately half, exactly half basically. So we have this additional glass, and what we can do is you roll this and glue this portion so that this circle, it becomes, the strip turns into a circular strip like this, and you can put it on the glass at this level. Basically it should not go beyond this level, it should be at the top level. So let's glue this as well, and let's wait till it gets fixed. So finally, this is the setup which we have. We have these strips attached over here, one at this end, one at this end, and you have this 2 glasses glued together, and you have this bulb glued over here. So this is how it looks. So guys, this is the setup which we have now, and we'll pick the strips. So now these strips, the one edge or one corner, we need to stick it like this at the top, and the other edge you need to roll it in a spiral fashion, and you need to stick it like this at the bottom edge. Should be aligned at the same place like this. This gives a spiral shape to the lantern. So let's glue it. Apply some glue at the tip. We also apply some glue at the other end, but then let's attach this first. I hope this is clearly visible. And then we need to roll the strip to the bottom, and we need to apply glue over here. So let's apply some glue. And then align it exactly at the same place, and then attach it like this. Press it gently so that the glass won't get pressed, or it should not get deformed. So this is how it looks. Similarly, we need to do it with multiple strips. So let's pick another strip, and we attach it now with a gap of 1 centimeter, slightly here, and then we join this inside here, basically at this bottom point. I hope you can see it, this bottom point here. So let's do that. Let me apply some glue. Leaving 1 centimeter gap approximately, you stick one more strip, and then we rotate this in a swirl fashion, and you apply glue on both sides, basically on this edge as well as on the behind edge and the front edge. So we just apply some glue, and then we maintain the spiral fashion like this, and we put this something like this. Press it gently, this is how it forms. So we repeat the same step with multiple strips until this circle, until the circular region, until this entire circular region is filled, and this entire lantern becomes ready in this dimension, basically. So let's do that. So guys, this is how the final model of a lantern looks like. Let's turn it on. and it won't be clear actually because of the background. But let me share another snippet of this. Let's check this out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned because I'll be back next week with more 3D stuff. And once again, happy Diwali.